Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, of course. I wanted to make a tutorial on 3 different hairstyles you can do for the summer. I hate being hot. I don't like my hair in my face. These are going to be quick and easy. And before we get into the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. And with that, let's get started with the tutorial. Before styling your hair, you want to make sure that it's combed through, and it's usually easier to do on second plus day hair. I probably wash my hair once or twice a week. If it's your first time braiding your hair, it's gonna take some practice. You're not gonna get it in the first try, so be patient with yourself. But yeah, it helps if you're not doing anything, like on the weekend or something, just playing with your hair and practicing some braids. You want to have some bobby pins, some elastics, color of your choice, the comb of course, and then I have this for my baby hairs and a rat tail comb to help me part my hair, and some gel. Don't look at it. Whenever I braid my hair, I like to do it where it parts naturally, and my hair naturally parts this way. I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna comb through it once more. I'm gonna separate my hair so it'd be easier for you to see. And you can do this as well. It might make things easier for you too. It doesn't have to be parted perfectly. I really don't care. If you care, you can do it like that. And then from the top, putting my 2 fingers in to create 3 strands. And then going under instead of over, taking the hair that's in the front and grabbing some hair from my the front of my face and braiding it in with the rest of my hair. And you're just gonna keep doing that until you run out of hair. And then you can just braid all the way down. Get an elastic and tie it. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side of your head. Same thing, and take from the top, your 2 fingers in, and then have 3 strands, and you're going to go under, grab hair from the front of your face, add it to that front braid or strand, braid strand, add it like this. And you're gonna do like you did to the other side and keep adding hair till you run out. Braid all the way down. And then with these 2 strands, you're just going to take them back and pin them. You can use bobby pins or hair clips. I'm just going to use a hair clip so you can see it a little better. Taking out the elastic. Just making sure this hair is back here. And just feel around in the bag to make sure that they're as symmetrical as possible. And then for this second look, you can either continue the braid that you did up here and braid all the way down and around, or if you're not that good at braiding, you can do it like this. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna start the same way, but instead of dividing into 3 strands, you're gonna divide into 2, and you're just gonna bring the front part back, and then like the braid we were doing, you're just gonna add to that piece and go back. So you're doing it with 2 strands instead of 3. So if you're not that good at braiding, this is another option. And you can pin it right here like we did with the other look, or you can keep going to have all of your hair out of your face. Thing is, you want to make sure you have a tight grip on your hair, and that you're pulling it down, because it's gonna kind of make like a, we're just following the edge of our hair, so our hair is gonna be down here. So you just want to make sure you're holding it tight so that the top of your head won't have like bunched up hair and a bunch of bumps. I'm gonna have to keep twisting. Take an elastic, tie it super tight. Just leave it. I know it loosened up, but I'm just gonna twist it again to push it, to pull it back. So don't mess with it, just leave it. And you're gonna do the same on the other side. So 2 pieces. Pulling the front strand back. Doing it one more time, and then grabbing the front piece, adding it, and twisting. Alright, and then I'm just following it down. Pin my hair everywhere until it feels snug and secure. Good. And then we're going to take this other piece we did before, bring it around. So I brought it around, and then I'm going to pin it so it feels secure. And don't worry if it looks messy. That is what makes this look, is the messiness. As long as you're confident, you're good. Now with these ends, you can clip them, or you can bobby clip them, pin them. And I know there's some hair popping out here, but that's what these are for. Like, make it look more fancy. Kind of grab any hairs you feel that are still not your friend. And there we go. As long as you're not doing too much, you'll be fine. And it's a cute little updo. And if you want to make it look more Frenchy, you can take some gel, just gel down your little baby hairs. That's if you want to, you don't have to. But my hairline literally makes no sense, so I like to gel down my baby hairs so it looks more, I don't know, like my hair looks like it's supposed to be there. You know, it's a way to look messy, but I like to think princessy. Like with it, when I'm wearing this hairstyle, I feel very feminine. Okay, so this is the second look. Now we're going to move on to the third and final look, which is probably going to be the easiest of them all. Like I said, you can do this hairstyle that I'm taking off with the braid that I showed you in the beginning as well. I just thought it'd be nice to show you how to do it with 2 strands. For the last one, we're gonna do a bun. I'll comb through my hair again, kind of comb all your hair back. And you want to have like a hair tie, hair bow. I have a black one because my hair is black. So I want this to be high, so what I do is from the fronts of my ears like this, like to grab the hair and brushing those bumps down. I mean, I know I'm gonna have bumps in the end because that's just how it works, but the same way I'm not symmetrical about my makeup, I do not care about perfection when it comes to my hair. Like I said, as long as you feel cute, no one can tell you anything. And I slowly just like to add to my ponytail. Get a nice little facelift. And they're just gonna put it into a ponytail. And you can tighten your ponytail, but the trick is don't just grab random strands. Try to go from the middle and have two semi-equal bundles of hair and tighten. There we go. I'm gonna gel down my hair. I already have a bump, I'm so mad, but it's fine. After that, you're just gonna twist around your pony. Don't do it too tight. Just loose. It's fine. And then just pin it to the base of your head. A little shake test. I swear to you, that's the middle of my head. It's just whatever. It's fine. So you can leave it as is, but I'm all about my hair clips and bobby pins and stuff. I look so funny. But I have these cute little bobby pins I got from Brown. It's supposed to say, it's called browngirls.com, but it's spelled brown without the O, and then girls without the I and with the Z. But it's Brown Girls. And they're little moon phases. They're super cute. And I'm just gonna take them randomly around my bun or right in my bun. And there it is. Cute little bun. And if you don't have those really cute bobby pins, you can always do little hair clips. Yeah, the same way there's no rules when it comes to makeup, there are no rules when it comes to hair. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you want me to show you braids and a more detailed. I will see you all in next week's video. Bye!